Great, we're here today at eimports4Less. Today we're talking about a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E400. This is the all-wheel drive 4Matic version. It also has the AMG Sport Pack. You check out the rims, nice body kit on it. 35,000 mile car, local trade-in, one owner, not smoked in. The vehicle does come equipped with navigation, keyless go, blind spot assist. It does have a backup camera. Up front here we have the xenon headlights, Harman Kardon audio. Just a quick peek up top real quick. It does have that panoramic roof. Clean vehicle inside and out. The interior is beige. Got wood trim. I'll come around here real quick and peek inside. And again, fairly clean car inside and out. Take a peek, see the little screen in the dashboard, backup camera, navigation. All the details and more can be found on our website, eimports.com. And if you're interested in owning this vehicle, please give us a call here, 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out. Have a great day.